Lecture 3 Operators in C++ with example. What is types and programs? In this C++ tutorial, you will learn what are operators, types of operators in C++, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, other operators, SIZEOF operator, comma operator, conditional operator, operators precedence. What are operators? An operator is a symbol used for performing operations on operands. An operator operates operands. The operations can be mathematical or logical. There are different types of operators in C++ for performing different operations. Consider the following operation, A equals x plus y, in the above statement. X and y are the operands while plus is an addition operator. When the C++ compiler encounters the above statement, it will add x and y and store the result in variable a. Types of operators in C++. There are mainly 6 different types of operators in C++. 1. Arithmetic operators. 2. Relational operators. 3. Logical operators. 4. Bitwise operators. 5. Assignment operators. 6. Other operators. Arithmetic operators. They are the types of operators used for performing mathematical arithmetic operations. For example, #INCLUDE less than IOSTREAM greater than using namespace std. Int main, int a equals 11, int b equals 5, int c, coot less than a plus b is less than a plus b less than ENDL, 11 plus 5 coot less than a, b is less than a b less than ENDL, 11 to 5 coot less than a asterisk b is less than a asterisk b less than ENDL, 11 asterisk 5 coot less than a, b is less than a, b less than ENDL, 11 fifths coot less than a percent b is less than a percent b less than ENDL, 11% 5 coot less than a plus is less than a plus less than ENDL, 11 plus coot less than a is less than ENDL, 12, return 0. Output. A plus b is 16a, b is 6a asterisk b is 55a, b is 2a%, b is 1a plus is 11a, is 12 relational operators. These types of operators perform comparisons on operands. For example, you may need to know which operand is greater than the other, or less than the other. For example, #INCLUDE less than IOSTREAM greater than using namespace std. Int main, int a equals 11, int b equals 5, coot less than a equals 11, b equals 5 less than ENDL. If a equals b, coot less than a equals b is true, less than ENDL. Else coot less than a equals b is false, less than ENDL. If a less than b, coot less than a less than b is true, less than ENDL. Else coot less than a less than b is false, less than ENDL. If a greater than b, coot less than a greater than b is true, less than ENDL. Else coot less than a greater than b is false, less than ENDL. Return 0. Output, a equals 11, b equals 5, a equals bid, false. A less than b is false, a greater than b is true. Logical operators. The logical operators combine two, more constraints, conditions. Logical operators also complement evaluation of original condition under consideration. For example, #INCLUDE less than IOSTREAM greater than using namespace std. Int main, int a equals 5, b equals 2, c equals 6, d equals 4. If a equals b and c greater than d, coot less than a equals to b and c is greater than d, n. Else coot less than and operation returned false, n. If a equals b, c greater than d, coot less than a equals to b or c is greater than d, n. Else coot less than neither a is equal to b nor c is greater than d, n. If b coot less than b is 0, n. Else coot less than b is not 0, return 0. Output, and operation returned false or equals to b or c is greater than db is not 0. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators perform bit-level operations on operands. First, operators are converted to bit level, then operations are performed on the operands. When arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction are done at bit level, results can be achieved faster. Assignment operators. Assignment operators assign values to variables. The operand variable is added to left side of the operator while the value is added to the right side of the operator. The variable and the value must belong to the same data type, otherwise the C++ compiler will raise error. For example, #INCLUDE less than IOSTREAM greater than using namespace std. Int main, int x equals 5. Coot less than initial value of x is less than x less than n, x plus equals 5. Coot less than x plus equals 5 gives less than x less than n, x equals 5. Coot less than x equals 5 gives less than x less than n, x equals 5. Coot less than x equals 5 gives less than x less than n, x equals 5. Coot less than x equals 5 gives less than x less than n, return 0. Output, initial value of x is 5x plus equals 5 gives 10x equals 5 gives 5x equals 5 gives 25x equals 5 gives 5 other operators. Other operators include size of operator, comma operator, conditional operator, and operators precedence. Let us discuss other operators supported by C++. Size of operator. This operator determines a variable's size. Use size of operator to determine the size of a data type. For example, #INCLUDE less than IOSTREAM greater than using namespace std. Int main, coot less than size of int, less than sizeof, int, less than n, coot less than size of char, less than sizeof, char, less than n, coot less than size of float, less than sizeof, float, less than n, coot less than size of double, less than sizeof, double, less than n, return 0. Output, size of int, 4 size of char, 1 size of float, 4 size. Conditional operator. This operator evaluates a condition and acts based on the outcome of the evaluation. Syntax. Condition, expression 2, expression 3, parameters. The condition is the condition that is to be evaluated. Expression 1 is the expression to be executed if condition is true. Expression 3 is the expression to be executed if condition is false. For example, #INCLUDE less than IOSTREAM greater than using namespace std. Int main, int a equals 1, b. b equals a less than 10, 2 to 5. Coot less than value of b. Less than b less than ENDL. Return 0. Output, value of b. 2. Operators precedence. A single operation may have more than one operator. In that case, operator precedence determines the one evaluated first. The following list shows the precedence of operators in C++. With decreasing precedence from left to right, asterisk, percent, plus or minus, less than, greater than, equals, caret, and, equals, plus equals, asterisk equals summary. Operators are symbols for performing logical and arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operators help us perform various arithmetic operations on operands. Relational operators help us perform various comparison operations on operands. Logical operators help us perform various logical operations on operands. Bitwise operators help us perform bitwise operations on operands. Assignment operators help us perform various arithmetic operations on operands. The SIZEOF operator returns the size of a variable OR data type. The comma operator executes a sequence of operations. The conditional operator evaluates a condition and acts based on the outcome.